Now guys, we'll see DHCP reservation option. So this option is a permanent IP address assignment. It is a specific IP. So if you, let us say you have one device, you have manager device, or you have some servers. You want to assign the IP address from DHCP, but it should be assigned permanently. It should not be changed over a period of time. So what you will do, let us say in our example, our computer name is workstation 1. Our computer name is workstation 1 and its MAC address is A, and you want to provide the IP address permanently, but it should be configured, it should be assigned from DHCP. So let us say you want to assign this IP address 10.0.0.100. This IP address should be assigned permanently to this MAC address. So you will take the computer name or MAC address and you will map it. So DHCP reservation is a permanent IP address assignment. It is a specific IP address within DHCP scope that is permanently reserved, okay, for least use to a specific IP. So as we have discussed, it will it will reserve the IP address for a specific computer. So reservation is done based on the MAC address. You will take the MAC address. Okay, you will take the MAC address of this computer and you will go to DHCP server and you will go to this reservation option. You will right click new reservation. Then let us say the reservation name is workstation 1. You will provide the computer name. Better to provide the computer name. You can provide any name here. Then IP address 10.0.0.51 or IP address 10.0.0.100. Then you will paste the MAC address here of that IP address and you will select add option. Then you will go to reservations and you will see this IP address is reserved for workstation 1. Then we'll go to our workstation 1. So the first IP address which is assigned by DHCP server is 10.0.0.11, but we don't want this IP address, we want 10.0.0.100. So you will get 100 here. It is permanently assigned to this computer. Let us do it. We'll take the MAC address. So how to get the MAC address? ipconfig/all. This is a physical address or MAC address. Copy. Then we'll go to DNS server. We'll go to reservation. Right click, new reservation. We'll give the reservation name as workstation 01. It can be any name and the IP address to be reserved 10.0.0.100. And we'll paste the MAC address here and we'll click OK. So this address is reserved now. Now what we will do, this address is reserved. Now we will go to the client, but client will show 10.0.0.11 only. Okay, if you see here, it is showing 10.0.0.11 because it is assigned for 8 days. The lease period is 8 days, but we don't want this IP address. So we will release this IP address now. Config/release. IP config/release. Now we will renew the IP address. Okay, so the server will see the request is coming from this MAC address, so it will provide 100 now. Okay, guys, what is the IP address now?
Yeah, 100.
Okay, so if you want to assign a permanent IP address on to any computer, you will use the reservation option.